Target is going to stop selling Pokemon cards in store, and they're also going to stop selling sports cards in store. I don't know if you knew about this, but it ain't just crypto. No. It ain't just video games, collectibles. Everything got a rocket ship. I mean, COVID, everyone got renewed interest. Everyone wants to collect things and invest, and people got time on their hands.
Yeah, everything wants to go to space.
Yeah. I mean, people just stopped going to restaurants and they realized, oh my God, I used to spend a lot of time eating food and enjoying myself.
Yeah.
Now I need to do all the things that aren't that, including Pokemon.
Let's buy digital money.
Yeah, let's do that. Can we trade stocks? Like, I don't know. We got to do something with our time. I used to be at the restaurants. But no, I mean, look, I mean, everybody's enthusiastic about something, whatever it is that does it for you. It's Pokemon, or if something's limited enough and there's more supply or demand than supply, okay, the value goes up. People were doing crazy things. They're breaking into stores. They're suspended from the ceiling trying to get those they were lining up outside the front. They're getting in scuffles with one another, trying to get their hands on these drops, trying to get their hands on these cards.
Yes.
I believe there was actually a shooting in one case.
Oh.
People have reportedly been opening cereal boxes in stores to steal the included Pokemon cards. Someone in Japan climbed down a rope to steal 9,000 worth of the cards. Someone pulled a gun during a fight over sports cards. So Target's also halting MLB, NFL, and NBA cards as well. What about NHL? Can I still get that? Are the hockey fans relaxed?
Yeah, you're good.
To ensure the safety of our guests and team members, effective May 14th, MLB, NFL, NBA, and Pokemon trading cards will no longer be sold in stores until further notice. So you can still get them. You can still get them on the website, but apparently it's too much heat for the local Target as far as in store is concerned. You see, we can't have those nice things. It's like the dude in the backseat.
Yeah.
Can't have those nice things.